So the question is, in triangle ABC right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A comma cos A and secondly sin C comma cos C. So first let me draw a right angled triangle. So suppose this is a right angled triangle. Right angled at B means ABC. So this is right angled triangle, right angled at B. It is given AB is equal to 24 centimeters. So in place of AB we can write 24. BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So in place of BC we can write 7. So now we have to determine AC because it will be required to get sin A or cos A, sin C or cos C. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is equal to AB square. AB is 24. 24 square is 576. BC is 7. 7 square is 49. So this implies AC square is equal to 576 plus 49 is 625. So AC is equal to square root of 625, that is 25. AC cannot be negative, so we will just take 25. So now value of AC we have is 25 centimeter. We can write here in place of AC it is 25. Now what we have to find? First we have to find sin A cos A. So sin A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So for angle A perpendicular will be BC. Perpendicular is always the side opposite to angle. So for angle A perpendicular is BC, and hypotenuse is always a side opposite to right angle. So hypotenuse in case is AC. So BC upon AC, we have value of BC 7, we have value of AC 25. So sin A is equal to 7 by 25. Now in this question only we have to find value of cos A also. So cos is based by hypotenuse. We know that cos is based by hypotenuse. So for angle A base is AB. So it is AB upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB is 24 and AC is 25. It means value of cos A is 24 by 25. Now second part of question. In this we have to find sin C and cos C. So sin C, sin is again perpendicular by hypotenuse. And for angle C, now listen, angle C, for angle C perpendicular is AB because side opposite to angle C is AB. So it will be AB upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. For this figure hypotenuse is always AC. Now value of AB is 24 and value of AC is 25. So this is value of sin C. Now cos C we have to find. We know cos is base upon hypotenuse. For angle C, base is BC and hypotenuse is always AC. So BC is 7 and AC is 25. So sin C is 24 by 25 and cos C is 7 by 25. This is answer for second part.